Wow, this is nice. Slime accounts are shook right now. They're actually doing just fine. No. This is the content I am here for. It is scented. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, it's Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my first slime review and I'm so excited. So I ordered 4 different slimes from 4 different Etsy shops, and these are like famous Etsy shops. So basically this is like a slime unboxing and review. I am not turning into a slime channel. I'll still be making DIY and lifestyle videos, but I do love slime. I love watching those Instagram slime videos and slime tutorials on YouTube. So I thought this would be a fun video to do. I've seen Karina Garcia do a video like this, as well as my girl Nicole Jacqueline, and also a bunch of other slime YouTubers. Today's post notification shout out goes to this person. Thank you so much for turning on my notifications. If you want a notification shout out in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe and click on that notification bell. And also I will be sure to link below all of the slime shops that I ordered from. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's just get started. I haven't opened any of these slime packages yet, even though I got some of these a few days ago. All of these shipped pretty quickly, which is good. I live in California and I got all of these slimes within a week. All right, the first one is from OG Slimes. How do you even open this? LOL. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It feels like Christmas, even though I bought all of this stuff with my own money. Okay, so first, ooh, I like how it's packaged. We have the business card and a borax baggie, as well as some Zots candies. I've never had these before. Oh, this is the mint slime. I'll have like the exact name on the screen. So here's what it looks like. Oh wow, I thought it was gonna like peel off of this. You know how when people open slime, it like peels off of the lid? It's so satisfying. Wow, this is nice. Oh yeah, this is mint Oreo cream. Yeah, it smells like... How did they scent this? What the heck? Oh my gosh, this is so satisfying. I don't think it needs borax. Slime accounts are shook right now. They are shaking. They're on a stretcher. No, I'm kidding. They're actually doing just fine. Do you hear people say that? Like, it smells so good. 10 out of 10 so far. And I am going to be playing with each slime. Like, I'll show a close-up of me playing with it. This is really good slime. So this was my first time buying slimes online, and I thought this was the best slime out of the 4 that I bought. And I just absolutely love this. It was super smooth, super soft, and it was a butter slime. It said that in the description on the website. So I really liked the texture of it, and I would rate this 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend this slime. Okay, next we have SnoopSlime. So here we have, oh how cute. Oh, this comes with some borax. Oh, and it comes with this little umbrella. Okay, that's cute. Okay, so next we have this one. Okay. Oh, okay. Yes, this is the content I am here for. PB Bunny says that all the time. Paulina, I love her. I'm obsessed with her videos. It seems like super sticky, so I'm probably gonna have to activate this one, but I'm not blaming the shop at all. It has been super hot here in California, okay? And I know slime can like deactivate in the mail, you know? Whoa, this clear slime is really nice. So I did have to activate this slime, but that was totally fine. It's been super hot, so I know that's why it like deactivated in the mail. So I just added the borax to warm water and just added a few spoonfuls to this and mixed it up and activated it, and it worked great. I think it did get a little bit cloudy since I did have to reactivate it, but I think it would be even more clear once I let it sit out for a few days. And I would rate this 9 out of 10. I also do really like the little confetti pieces. Alright, the next slime that we're going to be opening is from Peachy Slime Bakery. First we have some borax, and then we have the slime in here. Oh, I'm dumb. I was like, she wrapped the slime in paper. No, that would not work, Alyssa. It comes in a little container like this. That's really smart, so that the slime doesn't explode. So she wraps it in paper and then in a plastic bag and then in a container. No. I do like her their logo. I think it's super cute. So after activating this slime, I would rate it 8.5 out of 10 just because it is really smooth and everything, and I'm still giving it a pretty high rating. But if I'm comparing it to the picture on the website, the picture on their website did look like the slime was a lot thicker, but I still think this is a great slime. So the last slime package is from Slimeporium. Ooh, yes. So here's the slime. So here's the extras. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So they included a memo pad and this little flip-flop, super cute. And then more of these candies and a borax powder and a slime instruction kit. Or card, that's what I meant. So let's open this up. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to activate it, but that's totally fine. It has these foam beads. I wonder if it's scented. I'm not sure if it is or not. It is scented. Oh my gosh. This smells exactly like birthday cake. So after activating this slime, this is what it looks like, and I really like the foam beads. It smelled amazing. It smelled exactly like cake batter ice cream from Cold Stone, which I love, but this is not edible. This is super smooth and stretchy, and I would rate it 9 out of 10. I know I gave all of these slime shops pretty high ratings, but this is my honest opinion, and I was very impressed by all of them. I recommend buying from all of these shops. So I hope you guys enjoyed this slime review video. This was such a fun video to film, so if you guys want to see more slime reviews in the future, definitely let me know in the comments below, and let me know who I should purchase from next. And like I said, all of the Etsy shops will be linked below. Most of these are Etsy shops. I upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday, so yeah, I did change my video schedule. It was Tuesday and Saturday, but now it's Tuesday and Friday. Also, be sure to go check out my merch and my vlog channel. All of my links